Hello, my friends. I am Sri Arjun. Today's topic is Transcendental Consciousness and Unexploited Field. Our life is the expressions of our inner potentialities. We project ourselves to that extent we know of our inner status. But there is far more to life than that which we are living in present moment. And what is that far more? That is the field of transcendental consciousness. That is the field of infinite possibilities. It is an unnoticed, unexploited field. We knowingly or unknowingly didn't care about it. This is the tragedy of human civilization. But the moment we contact this field, the field of infinite possibilities, we can choose anything we need and that will be actualized in our material life. As you sow, so shall you reap. For our forthcoming seminars and workshops, just stay tuned with us. Please subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell. Namaste, namaste, namaste.